Making original characters isn't just making a super strong, super cool guy that can't be harmed or whatever. This isn't 2017, although we all wish it were deep inside. To make original characters, you need to know these things: their wants, their needs, and their motivations. In this video, I'll be giving you advice on how to make your own characters. Just a heads up, this isn't for character design. That's a whole different subject. This is specifically about making original characters that you plan on writing about. What does your character want? This can be anything. Literally anything. There is no wrong answer. Let's say we have a character that wants to go home. Pretty simple, huh? What does your character need? Now this one is a little hard to answer, but basically it's saying, what does your character need to live? What do they need to function? Just like with motivation, a character has to have needs. Everyone has needs. Our character that we're making needs to sleep. Again, pretty basic, but this is a tutorial video, so I can't make it very complicated. What motivates your character to do what they do? This can be anything from a friend to a want. Motivation is honestly the most important part of characters. Without motivation, your character won't have a reason to do what they do, and you won't have a story. Our character's motivation is the thought of being able to go home and sleep. Now that you have the three basic parts of your character, you have to think about what's stopping them from doing what they want to do, or what the conflict of a story is. Just like with motivation, you cannot have a story without a conflict. Who would want to watch a show where the main character gets everything they want? Who would want to read a book where nothing happens, and there's a bunch of fluff and cheesy dialogue? The conflict also has to have something to do with the character's wants and or needs. This doesn't really matter, but it helps to keep consistency in your story. Our character's conflict will be the fact that they're unable to go home because they have to work. Now that we have those four things, we can start actually making the character. Again, this video isn't about character design, so I can't really say much about that. You can design your character any way that you want to. Making the character, in this sense, is writing down basic info about them so you can begin to know your character better. Things like their age, their ethnicity, whatever. Make sure your character's characteristics make sense for their role in their story. Usually the protagonist of an action story wouldn't be a teenager, because not only is that impractical, it's unrealistic, and the protagonist of realistic fiction story wouldn't be a middle-aged man, because who cares about someone who's already lived half their life? The best thing you can do to improve your ability of making characters is by reading. Specifically, you should read books that are the type/genre the story you're writing, but it doesn't really matter. Just read. That's it for this video. I hope this helped. I am not professional by any means, and if you're looking for genuine advice, you should try taking tips from actual authors/professionals. This was just me trying to help with the basics. Until next time.